Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we bring you the EarFun OpenJump, which claims to offer premium performance at an affordable price. Are these earbuds worth the price? Or are they just flashy advertising? Let's find out about their design, sound quality, battery life, and more. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The EarFun OpenJump features a sleek, modern look that is both stylish and functional. The earbuds come with a compact charging case that is easy to carry. Its build quality is sturdy, with a durable finish that feels premium without costing anything. Now, let's dive into the performance. This earbud has several features that make it stand out in the crowded earbud market. One of its main attractions is the game mode, which reduces audio latency, making it ideal for gaming. Another great feature is the theater mode, which widens the soundstage to give you a more immersive surround sound experience. This is perfect for movie lovers who want the feeling of being in the middle of the action. The earbuds also feature a customizable equalizer, which allows you to change the sound profile to your liking. Whether you prefer bass-heavy tracks or crisp highs, the EarFun OpenJump will always have you covered. The default equalizer setting is balanced, but you can always create your own sound profile for a more personalized listening experience. Battery life is always an important factor when it comes to wireless earbuds, and the EarFun OpenJump does not disappoint. On a single charge, you can get up to 11 hours of playback time, and with the charging case, this is extended to an impressive 42 hours. Additionally, the earbuds support wireless charging, which adds an extra layer of convenience. Now, let's talk about the price. The EarFun OpenJump are currently available for around $63.99, down from their original price of $69.99. That's a 20% discount, making it an excellent value for its features and performance. Compared to other earbuds in this price range, the OpenJump stand out for their combination of sound quality, battery life, and additional features like game mode and theater mode. Ultimately, the EarFun OpenJump is a great option for anyone looking for affordable, feature-rich wireless earbuds. With its long battery life, customizable sound profiles, and unique modes for gaming and movies, it offers a lot of value for its price. While it has a few minor drawbacks, its advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making it a strong choice for everyday use. That's all for today. If you found the review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.